can add recurring tasks to your Notion. Add new page, then add a table. You should click new database. Remove the tags. This you can add tags, but I'm just going to remove this for simplicity purposes. Just delete this property for now, and then add a checkbox. And then click this icon, this drop down, and then new template. Like for example, you have to pay the electricity bill, and then add a property of created time. Okay, and then close this. Then you can click on these three dotted lines again, and then repeat. You can turn this on every day, every week, every month, and every year. Let's click every month, and then starts on June 3. Let's say, what time is it now? 6:30 a.m. Okay, and then that's going to automatically add in in 2 minutes, and then we'll wait and I will show you. See, there it is. It just showed it. If you would like more Notion and productivity tutorials, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.